Just doing a quick review for you on this standing desk. Now, the brand did send this to me. It took me about 20 minutes to put together, really not that complicated at all. I've always wanted to have a setup like this where I'm able to put my little walking pad here and then get my steps in while I'm working on my laptop. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna bring you up close in just a second, but you can see it is on wheels, which I'll show you, but this can go up to 43 inches tall. I kind of have it right here at waist level. I could bring this up a little bit higher. It does go down really low, but again, it is a standing desk, so most people probably are gonna have it up a little bit higher. So if you want to get your steps in, you can put your walking pad like I have, which I'm absolutely loving, or you don't have to have a walking pad. You can just set this up if you want to be on your feet. Definitely a nice change from sitting on the couch or sitting in the office chair. This one has like this black wood grain finish on it. Down here is your adjustability. So there's two ways to adjust this. Here is your safety catches. So you can rest this down and it will hit right into that safety catch. And then if you want to adjust it in between there, you can do that with these. Right now I just have it sitting, but you can go all the way up another hole. And then when the wheels are unlocked, look how easy this is to move around. See this? I can totally swing this around in any position that I want. So I slid the walking pad back because I just want you to see that of course, you can go ahead and just use this without a walking pad. Adjust it to your perfect height wherever you want it. It's got like this powder coated black matte finish on it by these little bolts that they give you, and they have an Allen key. Okay, very simple stuff. If you have a phone or a tablet, you can go ahead and set it in this little slot right here and go ahead and watch your tablet if your computer is not in use. And again, we've got plenty of room over here for a mouse if you want to put a mouse pad. I use an optical mouse, so I don't really need a pad, but if you wanted to do that, you could. I also have a video on this walking pad, so if you haven't seen that one, go check that out. But this is a perfect combo, great setup. I am very excited to be able to use this on a daily basis. I feel like I'm getting all of the same features out of this for a much better price point. So definitely check this one out. They did a good job with it. I'm pleased with it. So that is my quick review. Thanks for watching.